Today we're going to learn something really important: how to call for emergency help. Let's start with some important words. Emergency, when someone needs help right away. 911, the special phone number to call for help. Operator, the helper who answers your call. Stay on the line. That means don't hang up until the helper says it's okay. You should call 911 if there's a fire, someone is very hurt or sick, there's a danger and you need police. But don't call 911 if you lost your toy, you're bored, it's not an emergency. Here's how to call 911. Press the numbers 911. Wait for the operator to answer. When the operator answers, you need to say your name, where you are, what the emergency is.
My name is Kai. I'm at 123 Main Street. My grandma fell down and needs help.
That helps the helpers come quickly. After you tell the operator, stay on the line. Don't hang up until they say it's okay. They might give you important instructions like what to do until help arrives. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. My name is... I am at... The emergency is... Now you know how to call 911 the smart and safe way. Remember, only call in real emergencies. Stay calm, say your name, where you are, and what's wrong. And stay on the line until help arrives. You're amazing, helpers. See you next time.